Welcome to my channel Starseed Flower. Today when we have to transfer a certain amount of money from one person to another person or from a one bank account to another bank account, we generally use our mobile phones and download the money transferring apps, or we can say that the UPI based apps through which we can transfer a certain amount of money. We use these apps, but using this app we cannot transfer more than 1 lakh in a day, or there are certain other conditions we cannot transfer throughout the country by using these UPI based apps. For that, there is a facility in banking system or through internet banking. We can transfer a huge amount of money from one person to another person or from one bank account to another bank account within the country or throughout the country. That is through electronic fund transfer system or the payment system. These are NEFT, IMPS, and RTGS. These are the payment systems. First, we know about the National Electronic Fund Transfer System, that is NEFT. Through NEFT, we can transfer a certain amount of money between two NEFT enabled bank accounts. There is a necessity that both the bank accounts will be NEFT enabled bank accounts, but there is a limit. You cannot transfer more than 10 lakh rupees through NEFT. There is no minimum amount. We can transfer from 1 rupees to 10 lakh rupees through NEFT, but there are some other banks like HDFC Bank and ICICI banks. Their transferring limit is up to 25 lakhs. It depends on banks to bank. There are some particular timings through which we can transfer money through NEFT, but in some other banks like Axis Bank, Citibank, and Bank of Baroda, you can transfer money 24/7 through NEFT, and the bank takes some charges to transfer these funds. To make this transfer, we need to know some details about the beneficiary or the receivers or the person which we have to pay the amount, like name, account number, and IFSC code. And after filling the details, and within 30 minutes your receiver get the money in his bank account. This can be also done even without a bank account by making the cash deposit at the NEFT enabled bank branch. Just fill the form and provide some details and you're good to go to pay the amount. But in this you have to just pay 50,000, not more than 50,000. The next question arises on your mind, that is, what is IFSC code? It is Indian Financial System Code, 11 digit code, and it is specific for each bank branch. You can easily find it on your passbook's front page and on the check leaves. The second electronic fund transfer system is Immediate Payment System, IMPS, through which you can transfer money from person to person or person to bank's account across the India or within the India. It is an instant fund transfer system. You can access this through mobile phones, ATMs, SMS, and internet banking. The maximum limit of transferring fund is up to 20 lakhs per day. IMPS can be made at 24/7 and 365 days, and there is no minimum amount. You can transfer up to 20 lakhs. The service is safe and secured, quick and fast, and most convenient method to pay. The details required about the beneficiary is like mobile number and the mobile money identification number, MMID. It is a 7 unique digit number and it is generated when you install the mobile app, and the IFSC code, and the most necessary number, that is Aadhaar number, and your payment is completed. The next payment system is real time gross settlement, RTGS. It is a real time electronic fund transfer. That means that it is transfer the funds at the real time. The payment is made instantly without any delay. There is a minimum amount, that is 2 lakh, to transfer, and there is no maximum limit. You can transfer more than 2 lakh. Through this you can transfer within the India or across the India. RTGS is usually for high value interbank transfers, and it is done through online mode as well as offline mode. For offline mode you have to visit the bank and deposit in cash or checks, and your transfer is up to made. If you want to make a payment below 2 lakh rupees, then you use NEFT payment system. And if you want to pay instantly, then you go for IMPS. And if you want to pay above the 2 lakh rupees, then you go for RTGS. These are the three fund transfer systems through which you can transfer anywhere.